Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AM Trader. You can see that in COVID, the stocks had fallen. After that, gives us very nice bull run. So we can analyze that how the stocks are behaving right now, and you have to invest these stocks or not, or you have to wait for some time and then you have to buy some stocks. Okay, guys, this is the ADM. Okay, guys, you can see that this is the COVID situation when it fallen this stock. After that you can see that its all-time high is $51. Okay guys, after that you can see that at present time it is $76. Do you think that these, whichever, not this only, I have show you some more companies, these company made anything special or any productive? No, these companies not have made any productive or nothing. These are the retailer peoples which are not done any investment in stock market. After that the COVID happened, so any all whichever retailer person are there, they have seen that this run bull. Okay guys, this is run bull. So this all run whatever have stock market is giving, so everybody seen that, and after that you can see that here only after that here only the equity that retailer all investors have came, small investors which we have know that after that this run is came up. Okay guys, right now you can see that it is all time high right now. Okay guys, what happened right now, some who are don't know retail traders, they are buy here at all time high. What happened after that, the big players like hedge funds and whoever has biggest money, they what they can do is they gonna short here, short and take it up till $52, somewhere like this. Okay guys, 50 to $53 like this. Okay guys, I will show you some of the more stocks. You can see that Adobe INC. Okay guys, you can see that Adobe INC, you can see that this is the COVID happening. After here is all time high is 384. Okay guys, after that you can see that what happened after that, the COVID within 2 to 6 months, 6 to 7 months. Okay, we can consider 6 to 7 months. After that it came back. Why? What major thing is happened in Adobe? Nothing happens. That the retail trader came here and taken it upside, and whatever big players has taken. Okay guys, here they have taken out, and you can see that here all, here you can see that this run is all about the these traders we are who we are like a retail investor. Okay guys, retail investor here came up once again. The big institute tried to take it downside. After that once again big retail traders came and bigger whichever hedge funds manager had taken it upside. After that they have seen that it is all time high. They have hedge fund manager and big players what do, they gonna short here. They have shorted here only and taken up till here within 2 to 3 months. You can see that, just a second, 2 to 3 months from up till here to here, you can see that 30% downfall here. 30% they have got in, they shorted in future, so they got very big money in 30%, mean 30 into 4 or something like that. You have count like that percentage, it is very huge. Okay, like this what they do, like this they have done so much downfall. Right now you can see that so much downfall is happening in all the major stocks. You can see that AP, Advanced Autobots, these are the, this is like a normal only, because this is continuously trading here only and it doesn't move so much big momentum. Okay guys, in AMD you can see that in AMD also what happened here is fall. Okay guys, this is only of $56 to up till 164. After that you can see that this is the pole. After this breakout they have taken out equity traders, whoever, they have taken it out. Okay guys, here the retailer traders trap, because here what they think, this is the bull run, so it will continue. So here the retailers came and buy here, and after that the hedge fund manager or bigger players will sell out here. You can see that how much percentage you can short with that. Just a second, you can see that from here to up till here, you can see that almost 38 to 40%. You can see that in future you can got less margin, so 38 percent into whatever they have paid margin, so they can get only 4 to 5 times margin, so they got 120%. So you can see that how nicely that bigger players can play here. Okay guys, after we can see next AES. Okay guys, in AES also it is decent. Only after that you can see that almost all time high. After that the big players what they seek at, you can see this, because AEA cooperation is very small at the $30 only. Okay guys, very small price in a share. Okay guys, up till here only you can see that how nicely it got 25%. You can see that like this they have done uh, like this. Only hedge fund manager or big players can play like this. Okay guys, so that's why I have told you, please wait just small time. Okay guys, within 1 to 2 months, because what I am thinking is that this is overbought market right now, which is very overbought market right now in US market. Not only US market, in all world market it is overbought only. Okay guys, so don't invest right now, or you can invest, you have invested somewhere here or here. Okay guys, let's suppose that you have invested in 2020 here. Okay guys, right now you have gaining some of the profit like 20% or something. Okay guys, just keep a SL of 4% and take 16%, because what we are seeing is that now downfall is coming around what I am thinking. So if you have booked that 4% SL you have taken, you have got 16% to your profit. After that it falls once again at this point, you got 5%, 5 not 11% discounted, because you gain 11% your profit. After that you can reinvest here, and that 11% also you can invest, or you can take it down and use it for your daily life, whatever you want. Okay guys, like this you have to think that how retailer investor will trapped, or how bigger players will work here. Like, okay guys, this is also you can see here at 1920 only it is showing me downfall. Okay guys, it has all-time high as 143 at what time? 2018. After that some fundamental or something happened this company. After that you can see that what happened is that it continuously come downside. After that you can see that how nicely it does a bull run. After that you can see that this is all-time high. What here retailer will come and taking position. What big players will do, they will short it. After they short, they can have 3 months 2 months contract, so they can carry forward or do like this and take their profit as a bigger money. Okay, like now you can see that this is the overbought market. Okay guys, I will show you just like that. We can see in Tesla. So we can see in Tesla guys, this you can see that, just a second. Okay, this is the Tesla stock, you can see that. Okay guys, at this time the COVID is happened. You can see that what happened is that this is at the 200 or 180. Okay guys, after that it fallen to 73. After that you can see that how bull run is happened. Okay guys, you can see that right now it's all-time high is 1250 almost. Okay guys, dollars. Okay guys, after that right now what happened is that the stock market is showing a weakness, so right now it's falling. Okay guys, this is the like this you can see any stock or something, so don't like a retail investor. Okay guys, if you are a retail investor, don't invest in these stock. Okay guys, why? Because these are very volatile stocks, and if these are going to fall, you have invested at 900, it will fall at 700, you have lost of 700 200. After that you think that it will go up till 900, it will a very nice stock. Okay, after that 700 it came to 500, you see that loss of your 400. Like this, don't invest in so much which are overbought stock. You can see that after within 2 years what happened is that it runs very big momentum. Right now what do you think that if it will, I will invest here. Okay guys, supposingly I will invest here, does it goes to 2000 within 2 years or 4000 within 5 to 6 years? No, I don't think so, because so many are there stocks and so many electric cars also coming up, so these stock will not go so much high. So right now it is all time high and it is overbought scenario. Okay guys, I'm not telling that Tesla is that very much overbought or something, but right now it, you can see that it is gone from 200 to 1200 plus, so you can see that 10 times stock. So what this company has done, nothing bigger that it has done something incredibly or something. So right now it is overbought scenario only. Okay guys, so don't invest right now in this stock. Or if you see like this stock, this is the retail trader only who taken it this much upside. Okay guys, this is purely retail trader who have taken it upside, not a hedge fund manager or a not big players, because only retail traders are supporting the Elon Musk majorly, so that's why they have taken it this much upside. So what they do, hedge fund manager, they come and take it here position here and taken it position up till here. After that they can see that it market is weak. So right now what they can do, they can sell. Okay guys, they sell and here some retailer will trap down here. Okay guys, like this happens. So right now don't invest like this. Some of the time what happened, like this bull run is come, hedge fund manager or some big players, what do they have, manipulate like these stocks, not on Tesla, like this any stock is bull run, you can see that this is all retail traders only, because Elon Musk supporter are retail trader only, small people which are common people only, not a bigger hedge fund manager or big persons. Okay guys, so like this any stock you can see that that is manipulated by hedge fund or big players, because they know that after that here somewhere here what they do is that retail traders all came here and buying. After that hedge fund manager and big players will just sell their equity. You can see that from here 200 to up till 900, you can see that. After that if they will fall up till 500 also, they got very nice momentum within 1 year or 1.5 year, like this bull run came. So don't invest in those stock guys. Okay guys, like this. Okay guys, in Microsoft also we can see what happened. You can see that in Microsoft also 180. So right now you can see that how much nicely big momentum has been done. Microsoft also, it is three all-time high is 340. Okay guys, so like this they are very much overbought, because right now these are the stocks which you don't want to invest right now, because within 4 to 5 months or 3 to 4 months it will market has to fall, because right now it is very much overbought value. Okay guys, so that's why I'm telling you just have a patience, some patience, so you can get very nice investing time, so you can invest there, so you can get very nice risk to reward also. Okay guys, like this you can see that within 2020 fallen. Okay guys, you can see that you can see that continuously consolidating fallen, continuously consolidating. After that some pullback has came, buyer came, after that fallen, after that consolidation has happened. 96. Okay guys, almost 100, we can see that $100 has gone almost one 190, almost 300, we can assume like 300. Okay guys, so up till that, so if you have invested $100, you have got $200 profit. So like this, because this is the company where nothing happened, because this is the downfall. Okay guys, some news has came, or this company ALB is doing some incredibly thing, so it will has got very nice momentum right now. But this is the overbought scenario. Here you can see that this is overbought, so let it come slightly downside. Okay guys, up till 140, 150. So after that you can invest here, so you get very nice momentum. Within 2 to 4 years you can got once again $300 or $350, something like this. Okay guys, we can see some more like this. These stocks are continuously doing upside momentum. Okay guys, these are nicer because its all-time high is 175 and right now it is 221. It is not very much overbought and nobody has seen like this. Okay guys, so in these stock you can invest. Okay guys, ARE, that is stock. Okay guys, here you can see that this is the stock. Okay guys, after it fallen, you can see that very big gap up. You can see that. Always remember that whenever big gap up or gap down happens, it has to fill its gaps. Okay guys, it has to fill. You can see that here is a gap. Okay guys, here is a gap one. You can see that continuously consolidate. After that it fills its gap. After that one gap down, you can see that it fills its gap. Okay guys, after you can see that small gap, you can see that it's filled. You can see here a small gap, you can see that it filled. So here also one big gap, so it has to fill. It came once again 350 or 340 like this, so you can have to see that. Okay guys, it has to fill its gap. Okay guys, like this you have to see the stock. Okay guys, you can we can see next stock one. Just a second. Okay, Google. Just see the Google. Okay guys, how nicely it done. 90, 80 degree or 90 degree, whatever, you can see that it's made how nice momentum. Okay guys, you can see here what is 100 and 1500. Okay guys, after pandemic 1000 it came, now it's 3000. Okay guys, that's not anything. You can see here, you can see that it's made a triple top. After that you can see that within 2 weeks, you can see that how nicely it fallen. Like this you don't have to invest right now, so patiently wait for 2 to 3 months. You got very nice momentum. Okay guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.